Abusia video we no ano ayehye ebi say Ghana boys no mutwa bet no o be clash with sensitive President John Dramani Mahama. Omuchema Mahama bad luck. Oba ye no bet kura no muntimi enibi. Na fe no o must clash with Sam George and some omoge Canada. Enya easy. Me mo nchire mu no akire wadwen ama me. Comment section. I Penyah block media. Me so say ni di mu. Over like video no that but subscribe button somebody click notification icon for the latest update na ba kire wadwen de ama me comment section so ba so watch from enya bia hwe you know for government no e de bibi a friend the betting tax e buy 10% betting tax as udi bet ya utwa na nyambo na wudi a osika na e ba na government etimu 10% no boys reka say omumpe and because of that no yanto enkoma NDC government now you know NDC government no musi anko tuma wo mu no na was like na say eyesem jamfi su na ebeka asem we
ati bia no in fact enya simple Ghana yebe introduce levy enya tax yeba be ya na dia kwechiraba we are looking at something like bet sports betting levy ban yebe media so sports betting so they say the UK for year to fund Olympics. How can we put a levy on betting and generate revenue? I bet for sports development funding.
And that's something in 2023. No planning how NDC ABC put it levy on all sporting activities in Ghana here. Let's say as a boys no munim do mokeka but ye nyina akote ase ekotutia ekufad MP before no ema ekufi ye bomu garawe efri Ghana konyams da no anokwa over system ni mu a sika ni krum sika ni system no so ema me ne NDC ni bikula clash wa TikTok no a post video say ekufad aban se bi no mu ni mu nyansa because last year ne nuane board den eduane any system ni mu eduane board den but this year no Mahama adwuma painting enuane abebu anam ga chere ni say wo oti Accra bizanzo oti so Accra Medina nam so ni mu nyansa oti Accra Medina ana okeka nkwase asem sibra form na ko da bia ye mfuo ko bu say akuafo na omo no do no baye ne ba ne say system ni mu te say no mu kan kire mu ede na ma aduane bu aduane bebu because say yento a ana aduane bebuo say yento aduane a ene bebu because kuani no nya kodo awi say wante so amfanye ebuo bi a unzin fam ho nche ebesei most of the product na produce organ are perishable goods in toast ni mekwa ebesei e dey say what so energy buo bi ada ko wanim ekuafo du so a esu no enye su ketoa ba wote Accra aduane bebu so aye furun de wani age but onwini kuani ono no do onwini kuani ono no do na ho others say you don't think about the farmer kuani no onwini no ko busa kuani ni say uboto mu te say enema mu ye na kuani ni nka ne plight on kind situation and chill ema me this dey go clash with TikTok but enye no wasa na ye kan ha na mo awusia me na media ne so a adam go pie game boys ni bi a video so na say omo kwan and small can we kire mu say he Mahama betena kunya so no or the bad luck kese na betena Ghana so ada ya o kire mu a kun for the time na betting tax 10% also kura no na omu twa bet ya omu nya bi di na omu di miete bet but Mahama kura be betting tax from bo bet no o se na why o ga say we everybody draw di akwase no o ga say obi a shego ni akwase 5 yes Bibi adiegu.
Nko atama akofo ado yetena kunya so kwani debate me do nyame John Dramani Mahama buy bad luck nko this is not about say when game shisha na say lucky me do nyame this is about me di me kan no kwa chiro akofo ado tie kunya so na the tax kura to so no kura no bro ni debate utimi de 10,000 no matter at least 1,000 be at least when you fa so ba Charlie John Dramani Mahama buy omo mutwa bet bia be kan no kura hwenye nyenu aka no kura say bet ni di omo John Dramani Mahama okita biggest balak ewo bet mu I swear to God me oba me di bet da o akufo ado buy boy de me bi e fa John Dramani Mahama me nka say wo nya hwe bro ba Charlie me die Sir, bet the dimio. Yeah, now week we mun mafa plan for from the bet. Say me Fabia 20 teams and no masara iron. Once about be out me for 20 teams no akasa ba ko be say. E ho na ya me yo. Ti me for 20 teams akasa ba ko be say. Ma twa 1,500 ma di. Sa na yansan me de me group nim clans na nya bet di. Yes our plan na say. Ako for the time plan e di twa bet si as plan no. We use the same plan. Yeah, e be do. Opa akasa me bo bi twa bet bi atiase. One hour me a compo for us me link no join me in Telegram and WhatsApp group this year. Yes, idea unye be kuso adi. I swear to God. Cannot cry. Mamui. When this idea obo am too.
Bibi ajiagu. Eh no bibi ajiagu no so no. And the for kuntina say. I said that betting tax na omi fraud no. On say end catch us say they have officially passed the bill for sports fund. And if the sports fund bill is passed today, I mean it say there is a sports levy coming. Sports levy be eba cause a honor and a budget scale free and supported sports fund. No? Now that issue of sports fund, I know TikTok has no so blasting Mahama on that.
Question, a very simple question. What I said, I mean, busa say sports betting tax no the patrol asanya bana. I'm only asking, okay? I'm only asking. Sports betting tax no asanya bana. Okay. I'm proud of 2024 elections. Nyoma edi muntintimai bakwa ma boys. Original brand. Eti etuya de cha na adan kwa kufa ni don't about me. Betting tax. I mean you know that. Betting tax. Because the boys were saying that Charlie at the end it is killing us. It is killing us. Omun repealing. Omun fi. So Penyah Mahama John took advantage of that. Now in 2024 campaign, okay, this is what Penyah said.
You see, boys they hustle and job no day. So now the bets they do small, get money for gobe. You see? So I understand. As no say this one, it be matter where they concern the youth. Plenty. So we talk already. Say where we come. The betting tax will go remove them.
But you can't say we are not say because there is no job for the boys. No, only the obey 24-hour economy.
This government, the IMF sign agreement, so they bring the betting tax. But we for find alternative revenue to plug the whole way the betting tax will cost. So as the young boys, the street boys, the hustlers, no get work to do. For the meantime, they go do this small betting. Then we go do the 24-hour economy. Where it comes to everybody get work to do, everybody they work. Then we go say, but you where they bet, you get work. Then you see. So for now, make the boys be, make the be.
Penyah Mahama John ebo modian ye ho adwuma after he has been voted into power. Ebo modian say wa repealing betting tax e wo Ghana. And my boys said it. In fact, in my own Edum peasants, these were some of the reactions.
President be Ghana, and who said, oh my see boys, no, or Moka Grano, Munano, media, no, yes, see, that's time I Jimmy YouTube money now. Yes, it's Ghana, so on YouTube,
So boys now where is the bossy? In October, ye benya ntiese omo the sports betting tax bi boss sports betting levy bi bani ade ade ma ye nyina ye so mu apo so ka wasem ye deda quick. And the Minister for Youth and Sports says it is never true, nothing of that sort is coming. In October, they told us that nothing of that sort is coming. But and in tia yet say one sign this sports betting levy as I'm a parliament too. That's what we are hearing. That's what we are hearing. Now we want to ask simple questions. And this is for no some of you don't like reading. And I'm on parking canteen. You nyabo mo aban no asem say pa na to muni atebdidie. Okay. I was saying this intellectual analysis. Mo kura no sa tax na mo de ban. E kwa be na mo be fa so a mo be di sa levy no. Also and the enya asem kura na we no you guys the sources of funding no. E be special sports lottery. And yes special sports lottery meaning say mo be reintroduce betting tax ana. Also, you better 10% charges from gaming commission. 10% charges from gaming commission. Okay. Also, and you know now sports betting companies national you better kakra from more. Hey, I was here. Hey. Hey, yempe Julo Sembia, yempe Makola Pakwe Sembia Ogana ha. Muna move catch a boy somewhere betting tax free. And dear be able as a monam could not consequence. If you want to bring that thing back, I bring it back. Let boys know sir in the more side yaba. More side yaba. Ye bobo na gate proceeds no and also your beji kakra free na kotokone has a cry bobo. One gate in the sign a ya womunya. One do about some class or money in the crown. A fun way this is scam. I want to must another percentage for the Ababe Mohawani levy. At this point, let me a catch you say, Abawi, what is 6, Danny 9. That's all that I can tell you. Shagana phone true.
Now, some George issue, see and chair move. Some George, any boutique issue, I say. Some George, already telling you, oh, yeah. Take that as an end in the new year. Oh, Muguso, egg can be actually some George.
George, who need to ask you? MPP Beba Power, Sam George, you bet you are jail you. I'm telling you something, Sam George, you are a criminal. Opa only mama mumbra mbechimi. Sam George, me see you are a criminal, you are a fool, you are nothing but a dummy. Who just had the opportunity to become a minister or something. Sam George, you have come here qualification when I will be Minister of Communication. Because with Jimmy it's not good for Minister of Communication. Minister of Communication, and yet just should come and stand there and grant interview and speak big English. Minister of Communication, when they say communication, you know how to communicate with people. You show what must say, and yes, Ghana and Ghana have arrested 2 people, and we need 3 people to arrest it. You want paper to come to Ghana, we have to tackle fraud. Only Toto me Sam George, who they do fraud pass you. Sam George, you are a criminal, you yourself. Yes, you have got latest car. Oba swinche ya, okita latest car, customizing the data. Only Toto, how much be your pay? Betray, how much be your pay? Because you for a cromphone and I to Abama mobile so a moment we want to use the Sakawa boys as a scale. Mama, how many days na kaya no? Your career 2026. Mama, 2026 near Remu. I'm telling you now you could do summertime. No one chief minister be a anti minister be a jail. Mama, me may yaw sa copying 4 years I'll be the abano so. The media and I go for I don't know. May you remix. I'm telling you, me means Robia. Oh, tonight we are Japan now. We are living when we die. We have nothing to lose. So if I tell you fuck you, may you evil, I'll do you evil, I'll do you evil.
I'm you no na mosuo Sunday about kwache kakra ana mo chie no ana mo de ba le fie o chi ni na wa jima musa na jima wo ye obe check am na si so e de adwuma busa se country ban na wo Ghana ha e wo wiase a US aba ba chew ni security aba ba chew no de camera si so e de adwuma na wo ye obeyesa ye de niema bi ti agro normal because ye niema bi e be se Ghana wo so nya hu ya wan crofo e be si na and empty and wan crofo e dis ye wi omo e more than million system be from and outside impo o the whole entire system na empty na you use na crofo twetwe crofo sika no matimachi obi da ma track number bi akochi obi da munye bi da na omo no tesi computer chi ya yo ne ma no wasi ade abakwa akochi no ya de ye kan kura chi am mo hwe ne ma ye because 1 year shiagu munya hwe ye mpokura ne ama ma aban ne ho aya akono embo ma ba so kura gi o de jai ya ne ama ma aban ne ho aya akono because afi na maba but se oba wa adwen say na me hu so bi condemn ena sika ena mu sika fi masa ma me kan okra nchiro ye ka omo se Ghana bu Ghana kwase nke politician etu so wonu ya YouTube bi ayiya ese omo woni je e motivate wo
Sam George be bi so ko what man kan juma wo ye wo ko se wo ye
o jire bi adwuma na yele wo so wo yele Sam George bi adwuma na yele
ada wo yele no tugu
o ye de no ye wo na ni mo yele anya wo Sam George wo na ni mo yele
yo Ghanaians sure no krenoma bi koso a on e wo say you to am wo Ghana youth ɛwɔ Ghana. Titiri ni Game Boys ɛwɔ Ghana. This is the time I was saying the difference between NPP and NDC. Game Boys more Ghana. This is the time I was saying the difference between NDC and NPP. Me can't be actually meaning Game Boys for more Ghana. I'm a Marty. NPP and NDC. Big difference. Me demo call way back 90s. Time na JJ president Ghana. Common phone cramp on. Sɛ wonyɛ obi a wodi mu anaa woyɛ ɔpanin kɛseɛ bi anaa sɛ tɛ sɛ ɔyɛ ɔdefoɔ a na ntumi ne suk phone ɛwɔ Ghana ha. Saa time mpo phone koraa nyɛ phone papa biara o. Motorola a ne ti kɛseɛ round bi no. Blackberry a ani black bi no. Sɛ mohu saa phone no ɛne Nokia 3310 ne 1100 mu saa time ɛno na na ɛwɔ soɔ. Ɛno mpo no na Ghana youth ntumi ne su bi. Ɛyɛ ɔmo mpanimfoɔ ministers ne sikafoɔ ne ade no MPs foɔ ne ade na ne yi su bi. Kofo ba power pɛ ɛna phone bob ɛbaafoɔ. Rolling Star unya phone ni bi kura chip keke kura untimi ntobi friend sim untimi to sim ni bi. Saa time sim baako ana ye Ghana Telecom. Saa time Ghana Telecom ɛne Ghana Space Phone untimi ntobi 100 cedis. Sa 100 cedis ne fe no 100,000. Ne fe no 1 million. Sa time 1 million no utimi nya bi nto chip. Una hwan kwanya 1 million. Sa time kofo baaye eno beton Ghana Telecom ene MTN ni so sa time na ye Space Phone ne ba Ariba na chip dikai ba fem kakra na phones afi Chinese phones ni ade bebu ye ma touch ni ade ni ade e ma touch China phones I use TV. Sa time TV phones ni ade be ba ya na phone ba ya e be dru NDC time. I former President Atamis bae. Phones mo ya munshia di phones sa be ho be ye din kakra. Even kwam social media kwa na Atamis bae kwa na social media scramble kwa na e di so beto be social media account mpo. Benya Google account, benya Facebook account ni ade. Akufo-Addo bae ne sa be ye common TikTok. Afede de defend online ibe kan ho bebre. Got two boys ne youth amwa Ghana. Me ka sem bi a kire mu. Nhwe the difference between NPP and this. Game Boys me ka sem a kire mu. Hwe Akufo-Addo tam. Game Boy ben ne wo Ghana ha no mu a. Ya che no. Onka mamintie. Mo hu Mahama bae sem mo hu. Sa na JJ tam na Game Boy utimi ntoka. Obede mpo no atoka wo Ghana ha. Young boy obede no atoka. Bakofo bae na boys team started so mo to talkers. One difference between NPP and DC. I mean bremu drew election time get to 4 boys ni Game Boys mo na ya musa akoto man DC for. Hwede ne omude ye boys ye senior man for yi. Abutrika senior man we yisu na adwene ne nyansa e dia mmeki no. Won kwa yom sa de ne nam so. Na wo watena Ghana hanom 90s 18s mu 1918s mu no amobroni fini krum abesisa ye good ye diamond ye box side ye japade nyina de ko ye nya bema bia wo Ghana ha se o sole yaji independence nti okwa akwaje ya ade mpa abrɛ Ghana ha won the whole Ghana bema ba ko pɛ ene wo Ghana ha bema ba ko pɛ enwani na kutumfo si tutu opemso me bodi a mabo mi mu ase ana won kwaso na nanya nkwada onu nko akwa timi akọ UK se mo abesisa asante no ajapade de abegye museum de abegu museum ihia ne mraso ihia ne back adia ama UK for the koto parliament e mo mo timi discard ya hu se da bia wo se ya dibi e koma wo ampa menu kase sisi na na timi abomode ama ne mo mbe wie fra santima mu no otima kwaji bi from Kwame Nkrumah time besi Mahama time President Ben abase mo be wia ya japade nti e kwa kwaji ababak bia ni ho na sɛ youth na hu nyansa de ɔma dwene na ɔmunim deɛ ɛgye no ɔma ne back de bɔ ɔma anim a mo saa ma FBI foɔ bɛsesa wɔn kɔ da bɛn na Ghana mo bia ne I4 na mo nso mo yɛ investigation ya no metimi akɔ hɔ sɛ yɛ japade na mbɛsesa ne ɛbɛyɛ hwehwɛ mu ne abɛgye adeɛ back ebi nsi da amo deɛ mo makwai agi sika kakla wɔ abrɔfo no wɔnom eyi mo amo ade hye ne saa ma sɛ yɛ mɛkyekye wɔn nkɔ da mo anim mo saa mpanimfoɔ na mo yɛ saa ndisifoɔ mpanimfoɔ no kokromuti na de mo ba power no na bɛsɛ atu atia mo ɛka ma mo ate Agato boys ni youth na mo Ghana ha no mo no ɛne mo am game mindfoɔ no game boys no mo shine mo eyes na mo hu the difference between NPP and NDC for there komu ni mo mpa nka 24 hours no a wɔn de yɛ wɔn policy no ko be jama game boys so mo nemfa saa 24 hours no fa nya adwuma because game boys nda 24 hours wɔn te computer obebla yusu na adwene e de agiska bo wɔn anim na wo ya sa be ka se ye nche no 24 hours economy am de buy kura mo afiri mu ni mo aka mo de be ma game boys for se mo mfa sa 24 economy no enya adwuma naka Ghana had used to be a mo sisi game centers a me ma game boys for na ko mo de scam me abofo ni kriska bo man kan ko mpo che bibia mo tena ho no mo ma abofo ni sa aba back se ska kaka no ma charge no mo sa mecheche wo mo je o ma de nyansa be ne wo mmra so se wo se Ghana youth musu nyansa na mo hu ndis ni NPP difference e wo mu we get to boy and answer we obi a we game boy am so hu video a share ma we game boy bi ansa nka bi na mo hu different when this ni NPP mu kaka ndisi fo nkwa nka Ghana hanom ka boys kwampo nyu laptop and ase smartphone ko NPP for pen ba da bia cheap my
Chede wadwe mame e wo comment section I Penyah Block Media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!